Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Zoho Books for beginners. So, as you can see right here, I am on the Zoho website, and this is my account. I already created an account, but don't worry because I'm going to show you how to create one. So, first thing that you should do is to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Zoho Books, and you'll be able to see this first website, and then just click on this one. And before we create an account, let's talk about the pricing first. So here, when I clicked on the pricing option, you'd be able to see here four different plans. So starting with the free plan, including this feature, so you don't have to pay for any amount. Next one is the standard. So next we have the professional, and the last one is the premium. And take note that if you are going to switch to monthly billing, the pricing will change. So as you can see right here, the standard plan turns to $12 per month, and for the professional, we have $24 per month, and for the last one, the premium is $36 per month. But if you're just starting using Zoho Books, I suggest you start with the free plan, of course. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply click on the sign up option. So as you can see right here, I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign out for now. Okay, and then let me just click on redirect now. So when signing up in Zoho, you can sign up with your Google account if you want to. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. Then after selecting your Google account, you'd be redirected now to your homepage. Now, on your homepage, you'd be able to see your dashboard, the getting started option, the announcement, and the recent updates. So in your dashboard, we have here the total receivables details, and then the total payables. We have here the cash flow. We have the income and expenses, the top expenses, the bank and credit cards, then your account watch list. And as you can see at the left side, we have here the homepage, the items, the banking, the sales, the purchases, accountant, report, and our documents. So in this video, we are going to focus on how to add items, how to add bank or cards, and then create invoices. So let's start with the items. So just simply click on the plus icon. Right here, for your new item, you just have to select the type, if it is goods or service. Then I'm going to select service, and then I just have to type out right here the name of your new item. So I'm just going to type out test. Then for the unit, just have to select the type to add, and then for the selling price, for example, we're selling our service for 300 pesos. And then for the account, and then for the description, you just have to type out right here the description of your service. And then for the tax, you just have to simply click on the tax, and then you just have to select the tax if it is available. After that, you just have to simply click on the save option at the bottom left, and you'll be able to see here now all of the active items. So we have 2 active items for now. And then for our test, we have here the item type, the created source, the sales information, the transactions, and the history of this item. Now that we are done creating our first item or the second item, let us proceed to the banking section. So here you just have to add a bank or a credit card. You just have to select the account type if it is bank or credit card. So let's start with the bank. Here you just have to type out the account name, the account code, the currency. So here we can also use the search bar at the top if you cannot find your currency. And then your account number, the bank name, the routing number, and then the description. Then you can also make this your primary. Then for the credit card, just have to simply fill out these sections as well. Now let's go to the sales. Okay, so when you go to the sales, let's create our customers first before we create our invoices. So let's start with this one. Okay, so for the new customer, you just have to select the customer type, and then the primary contact, their first name, and their last name. And then if they have a company name, you just have to simply click on this one right here. So I'm just going to use this one for now. And then the display name, I'm going to select this one. And of course, the phone details. Next is the other details. So we have here the company ID, the currency, the tax rate, and more. And right here, we also have the address. Okay, for our new customer, the contact person, the contact fields, the reporting tags, and then the remarks. So I'm just going to fill out the other details for now. Okay, and then for the opening balance, I'm just going to type out a random amount. Okay, and for the payment terms, I'm going to select net 15. And then if you want to enable the portal, just have to check the box, then the portal language, and let's just save this one for now. Okay, then just wait for a couple of seconds after saving this new customer detail, and after that you'd be able to see here now the overview of your new customer. Okay, so you also have the comments, the transactions, the mails, and the statement. Next thing that we should do is to create the invoice. So just simply click on the invoices option. Okay, and click on the new option at the top right. And then right here, just have to set your transaction preferences and then click on save and continue. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, right here, let us type out or input all of the details of our new invoice. So for the customer name, we're going to select this one. And then for the invoice number, then the order number. Here is the invoice date. Okay, and then the salesperson. If you have any, you can also manage your salesperson. Then for the subject, let your customer know what this invoice for. So I'm just going to type out payment for now. And then for the item detail or the item table, we have here the item details. So we have the quantity, the rate, the tax, and then the amount. So if you have a tax, if there is tax available, so you just have to select it. Then if you don't have any items, you only have one, so you can also remove the second item. Here the subtotal, if you have any discount for this payment, so you just have to type it right here, the discount, and then the shipping charges, if you have any. So I'm just going to type out right here 0. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here the total. Then after that, we have here the customer notes, and then the terms and conditions. And then if you want to attach files to invoice, just click on it, and then just simply click on save and send after that, or just simply click on save as draft. And after that, you'd be able to see here now the details of your email. So now let's go back to our homepage and try to see the details in our dashboard. So here in our dashboard, you'll be able to see here the total receivables, the details of the cash flow, the income and expenses, and other details. Now if we clicked on the current option, you'll be able to see here now the AR or the aging details by invoice due date. So in this video, we cannot really explain everything, but if you want us to make another video for a specific section, just have to leave your comment below. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments below. Bye.